In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team workloads in Asana. Whether you're leading a small startup or a large team, effective workload management is crucial for maintaining productivity and ensuring that no one feels overwhelmed. Asana offers a great feature to help you do just that, and it's called the Workload View. So, let's dive right into it and explore how to maximize this feature for the benefit of your team. First things first, open your Asana project where you want to manage your team's workloads. You'll want to add the Workload view to your View tabs. It's located at the top of your project interface. This addition offers a bird's-eye view of how tasks are distributed across your team members. It's an invaluable tool that can really change the way you manage and visualize team efforts. Once you've added the Workload view, you'll notice that each member of your team has their own dedicated row. This setup allows you to instantly see how tasks are allocated among different team members. The chart is essentially a graph with two axes. On the x-axis, you'll find the days of the week or month, while the y-axis displays the number of tasks assigned to each member. This graph is quite intuitive, helping you quickly identify who might be overloaded with tasks and who might have some capacity to take on more work. It's a handy way to visualize workload distribution and maintain balance in your team's assignments. If you're curious about the specific tasks assigned to a team member, simply click on their graph. This action will expand into a detailed view, showing the task names and relevant data, such as deadlines and descriptions. This transparency allows you to discuss responsibilities with your team in a more informed way. As you navigate this view, you also have the flexibility to manage deadlines easily. You can drag tasks to change their dates, making it straightforward to adjust schedules as priorities shift. If needed, you can also shorten or lengthen tasks to better reflect the time required for completion. This dynamic adjustment capability helps in mitigating potential bottlenecks and ensuring that your project stays on track. That wraps up our session on using the Workload view in Asana. With this powerful feature, you can efficiently manage your team's workloads, ensuring everyone has a balanced plate of tasks. It empowers you to make data-driven decisions and fosters a more productive and stress-free work environment. Remember, a well-managed team is a productive team, and the Workload view is a great tool to help achieve that. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!